So just a quick little video on a machinery dealer, local to us, Johnston Farm Equipment. Big achievement for them, celebrating 40 years in business. So we just took a quick tour around it there last week. In celebrating 40 years, they were showcasing their full range of Massey tractors and Massey grassland equipment as well. High spec slurry equipment was there. The Hackett Harrows, Bury sprayers, Hustler feeding equipment, had Vector post drivers. They had special mowers there from Teagle as well. Their triple set of mowers, a trail version, very unique. Did Marshal muck spreaders, did a huge range of stuff, to be fair. And to be fair, the weather was not too bad until late on, but good evening, great to go in and support them, and wish them all the best for another 40 years.